The global carbon nanotubes market is expected to reach $3,042.2 million by 2030, according to a new report by Reports and Data. Carbon nanotubes are made of rolled-up sheets of their building block graphene. Carbon nanotubes are suitable for almost any application demanding durability, high strength, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and lightweight properties as compared to conventional materials. Carbon nanotubes and their compounds display excellent electrical properties for organic materials and have enormous potential in electrical and electronic applications like photovoltaic cells, semiconductor devices, sensors, displays, conductors, smart textiles, and energy conversion devices including fuel cells, batteries, and harvesters. Besides their high electric conductivity, these materials have a large surface area, permitting increased electrochemical accessibility, and chemical, mechanical, and electrochemical stability. Thank you so much for watching video.